Inflammaging is a term that describes the chronic, low-grade inflammation that develops as we age. This process is not just a simple side effect of getting older. It's a key driver of many age-related symptoms and diseases. As our bodies age, the immune system's response becomes upregulated, leading to persistent inflammation throughout the body. This ongoing inflammation can accelerate the aging process and worsen conditions such as infections, cancer, autoimmune disorders, and chronic inflammatory diseases. Understanding inflammaging is crucial for anyone interested in healthy aging, as it highlights the importance of managing inflammation to maintain vitality and prevent disease. Our immune system is the body's main defense mechanism, but it doesn't operate in isolation. It interacts closely with other systems, forming what's known as the neuro-endocrine immune axis. As we age, experimental data show a decline in many immune parameters, a phenomenon called immunosenescence. This decline is not just about getting sick more often. It's about the accumulation of pro-inflammatory factors that contribute to inflammaging. Together, immunosenescence and inflammaging are believed to be at the root of most age-related diseases. Recognizing these changes helps us understand why older adults are more susceptible to chronic illnesses and how inflammation plays a central role. Inflammaging is defined as a form of low-grade, chronic, and systemic inflammation. According to research, it results from both innate and acquired immune system activity, which increases the production of inflammatory cytokines. Factors like genetics, environment, and age all influence our vulnerability to inflammaging. These factors can promote inflammation, decrease autophagy, increase obesity, and contribute to functional decline and mortality. The interplay of these elements makes inflammaging a complex, multifaceted issue that affects nearly every aspect of health as we grow older. A variety of stimuli can contribute to and sustain inflammaging. These include pathogens, endogenous cells, misplaced molecules, gut microbiota, and nutrients. When receptors in the body sense these stimuli, they activate innate immune responses that drive meta-inflammation. This process is ongoing and can be triggered by everyday exposures, making it essential to understand how our environment and lifestyle choices impact inflammation and aging. Oxidative stress is closely linked to inflammaging. It occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that can cause chain reactions, known as oxidation, which may be beneficial or harmful. When oxidative stress persists, it accelerates aging and increases the risk of chronic diseases. Managing oxidative stress is a key strategy in reducing inflammaging and promoting healthy aging. Antioxidants are the natural enemies of free radicals. They neutralize free radicals by donating electrons, stabilizing them, and preventing harmful reactions. Antioxidants are found in many foods and are essential for limiting the effects of oxidative stress. By increasing antioxidant intake, we can help slow the inflammaging process and protect our cells from damage. Inflammaging can manifest in a wide range of symptoms, from bone and muscle loss to weakness, weight gain, memory problems, mood swings, brain fog, and chronic pain. Digestive issues, blood sugar fluctuations, frequent illness, fatigue, low energy, sleep troubles, and even feeling or looking older than your age are all linked to inflammaging. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step in addressing the underlying inflammation and improving overall health. Diet plays a major role in the development and treatment of inflammaging. Eating inflammatory foods, such as refined sugars, oils, gluten, artificial ingredients, conventional meat and dairy, food allergens, junk foods, and highly processed foods, can increase inflammation and oxidative stress. These foods disrupt blood sugar balance, cause hormonal dysfunction, and accelerate aging. Avoiding inflammatory foods is essential for keeping inflammation under control and aging successfully. Blood sugar imbalances are another root cause of inflammaging. Insulin resistance and increased inflammatory responses are closely linked. Advanced glycation end products, AGEs, form when fat or protein combines with sugar, especially in foods cooked at high temperatures. Diets high in AGEs increase the risk of obesity, metabolic diseases, and chronic inflammation. Monitoring fasting insulin and HbA1c levels can help detect blood sugar issues and inflammation early. Leaky gut syndrome refers to increased gut permeability, often caused by unhealthy diets, lifestyle choices, or toxin exposure. When the gut lining is damaged, bacteria, toxins, and undigested particles can pass into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and chronic health issues. Leaky gut is linked to lower physical function, mobility limitations, and cardiometabolic disease in older adults. It can also lead to autoimmune diseases, which progress with age and contribute to inflammaging. Sensitivities trigger immune responses involving immunoglobulins. There are 5 major types: Ig-G, Ig-A, Ig-M, Ig-E, and Ig-D. Each plays a different role in the body's defense. Ig-G is the principal immunoglobulin in serum, Ig-A in secretions, Ig-E is associated with allergies, Ig-M forms early in immune responses, and Ig-D is rare. Testing for these can help identify food sensitivities and guide dietary changes to reduce inflammation. Genetic variants, particularly in the human leukocyte antigen, HLA, complex, increase the risk of food intolerance. Over 90% of people with celiac gluten intolerance carry HLA-DQ2, and most of the rest have HLA-DQ8. These genes make individuals more susceptible to inappropriate immune responses to gluten and other foods, leading to inflammation and leaky gut. Understanding your genetic risk can help tailor dietary strategies for better health. Liable testing for food sensitivities includes the EmuPro food panel test, which analyzes IgG antibodies to specific food proteins. This ELISA test helps identify foods that trigger immune responses, guiding personalized dietary changes. It's important to distinguish between IgG food hypersensitivity and classic IgE allergies, as the latter causes immediate reactions. Comprehensive testing can help manage inflammaging by identifying and eliminating problematic foods. Several blood tests can assess inflammation levels, including C-reactive protein, CRP, red blood cell distribution width, RDW, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, and serum ferritin. Elevated CRP is linked to muscle weakness and osteoarthritis, while high ferritin may indicate inflammation, liver disease, or autoimmune disorders. Regular testing helps monitor inflammation and guide interventions to reduce inflammaging. Healthy gut microbiome is essential for immune development and metabolic regulation. Dysbiosis, or imbalance of gut microbes, is linked to inflammaging. Eating wheat disrupts bowel flora, encouraging undesirable species and suppressing beneficial ones. Probiotics and prebiotics can help restore balance, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of leaky gut. Maintaining a healthy microbiome is a cornerstone of anti-inflammaging strategies. Environmental toxins and electromagnetic fields, EMFs, are major contributors to inflammaging. Air and water pollution, toxins in food and household products, and EMF exposure from devices disrupt homeostasis and increase inflammation. Reducing exposure by using hardwired connections, limiting device use, and practicing digital detoxes can help protect against chronic inflammation and support healthy aging. Nutrient deficiencies are a major factor in inflammaging. An anti-inflammatory nutrition plan, rich in antioxidants, is recommended. Antioxidants are found in colorful vegetables and fruits, especially those with intense colors like tomatoes, broccoli, carrots, spinach, and berries. These foods help fight free radicals and support muscle and cognitive function. Proper nutrition and lifestyle strategies can slow the inflammaging process and promote healthy aging. Mediterranean diet is consistently ranked as one of the healthiest diets. It emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods and limits processed and refined foods. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats, this diet is associated with lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and cognitive decline. Its anti-inflammatory effects stem from antioxidants, healthy fats, and the promotion of a healthy gut microbiome. Macular degeneration is a common cause of vision loss in older adults. Recent research suggests that adherence to a Mediterranean diet, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, can lower the risk of progression. Fresh fruits and vegetables boost brain function, regulate blood pressure, and improve mood. Omega-3 fatty acids are especially important for reducing inflammation and supporting cognitive health. Barleylife is a whole food juice powder packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, phytochemicals, chlorophyll, antioxidants, and amino acids. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and wound-healing properties. Green barley grass alkalizes the body and supports digestive health. Barleylife provides B vitamins, zinc, glutathione, CoQ10, vitamin D, A, E, and amino acids, all of which are vital for healing the gut and reducing inflammaging. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, seafood, algae, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are essential for reducing inflammation. Most modern diets are high in omega-6 fats and low in omega-3, which increases inflammation. Supplementing with high-quality omega-3 fish oil and consuming foods rich in omega-3 can help restore balance, support immune function, and reduce inflammaging. Healthy fats are crucial for cellular integrity, brain function, skin health, and overall well-being.
Today I'll show you exactly how to join Beautique and make your first purchase. I'll guide you through every step, from choosing your account type to completing your order. Start by opening the main menu to explore our mission and the products section. You can join as a customer for rewards or as a member to start your own business. The sign-up form is straightforward. Just enter your contact details and shipping information. Members will also provide a few extra details to set up their independent distributorship. Once registered, browse our full catalog and select the high-quality products you'd like to try. Once logged in, simply find your favorite products, add them to your cart, and click Checkout Now to complete your order. You're now ready to start your journey with Beautique. We're excited to have you with us.